guys, welcome back, and in today's video, I have Lily.
Yeah.
Lily. So today we're gonna be doing a craft. So, like you may have seen this once in my video, one of my videos. Like all these craft stuff.
So I don't think you ever saw it inside it, but I'm not.
I lost my fidget. I found it. Okay, that's great. That's actually great. I'm gonna yeah. That's great. Okay. So let's start making our crafts.
I have no idea what I'm making, but it'll be something. I think we're too far. We're gonna have to step up every once in a while to show you guys.
Yeah.
What we're doing.
So what I'm thinking is I'm gonna make a little person thing.
I'm just making a random thing, and I was playing with my age when I figured it out. And it might just be something. It might not ever be something. It might just always be something.
Dude has long arms. Dude has very long arms.
And this is my Lego characters. It's literally when you make Lego people, but like with just Lego, you use the long blocks and then use the tiny blocks for the thing. So it's just someone standing at T-pose. That's what it is. It looks so much like a person, but it's just a T-pose. You can't even do a normal door fence, and their arms are thick.
Yeah.
I didn't want to really say that, but it sounds more offending.
No offense, guys.
Yeah,
I'm sorry.
Even though we're not even talking to you, it sounds like I'm saying something offensive. Yeah. It just sounds like it when I say something like that. When I say thick.
Just try not to,
focus on the backpack.
So, yeah. So, just gonna do this. Okay. Oh. That did not work. It got really quiet, guys.
Yeah, we kind of just stopped out. I feel like we were talking about the randomest things now. Okay. So let's actually get talking about crafting. I have no idea what I'm doing, but so far I'm going to show you guys closer. There's a blue thing, this silver thing, this yellow polka dot thing, this red polka dot thing, and also a blue polka dot thing, which I already showed you. But I didn't call it a polka dot thing.
Okay, hold on, guys.
I think you'll be a little bit better at explaining yours, and you actually know what it is.
So I attempted to make like a guy. So I used his head out of pom-poms. Then I used pipe cleaners. So these are like his arms. And these are like his legs. He's kind of sitting down. So yeah.
I added this one extra thing to it, just this purple one. Yeah, now I'm gonna make a cat toy.
Okay, so yeah, honestly, now that we're kind of done with these, let's make a cat toy for French. If you don't know who my cat French Fry is, he is the cutest kitten ever. So maybe at the end of the video, you will see him.
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
We don't know our plans in this video. We just did it.
Yeah, we just kind of like. So I actually got a comment, right?
Like, you did?
Yeah, I got a comment saying post more, and I'm like, okay, so I'll post a video because I know I haven't been posting. Like, one, my computer has been glitching, but two, I just ran out of video ideas. But now that Lily's here, I kind of figured out an idea that we can both agree on.
To be honest, I didn't care, but the other idea before it, I forgot, but no one's gonna like that.
Yeah.
It was just a random idea.
Yeah.
Oh, I remember now, but I don't think that was tell them the idea.
So, I'm gonna make a multi-purpose cat toy.
I'm making a one-purpose cat toy, but I really think French Fry don't like it. Because most cats like this, and I know French Fry, and she likes stuff like this too. Ooh, I think I'm gonna add a pom-pom at the end of it too. That would be nice. I think do you think you can guess what I'm doing by me just doing this so far?
No, but I kind of did a craft like that before once.
You don't know what type of cat toy this is?
No. Guys, do you?
What cat toy would have strings and go that and might make a design like this? It doesn't even need to have a design. It just needs to be the stringy thing. Me saying that.
We're both cat owners, and I don't know that. That's fun. So this turned out looking like a bow.
To be honest, I'll say I have 2 cats, and I had Bella when she was a kitten, Pearl when she was like older, like about the age that French Fry is right now. French Fry is not a kitten anymore. She's basically a teen, I guess,
Yeah, like
or a kid.
yeah, I don't know. And, if you know what 6 months is in cat years, comment in the description. Comment on what like my newest post, because I'll probably be looking at that now. But yeah, so this is what my cat toy looks like for now. So like he can kind of poke at this, chase it, and then he can also poke at this and chase it. And I think like this, like the what is it called? Pipe cleaner would feel good on his like paw and stuff. But now that we're saying cat a lot, I'm gonna go get French Fry. So I'll get him right now.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is French Fry, my cutest kitten ever. And so right now he's like 6 months old, as I told you. And so it's like he's really cute. But when we first got him, he was so small. But we're gonna pause the video until Lily's done. So jump transformation. Okay. So Lily,
I have this. It's just a simple cat toy.
I'm surprised I didn't know what it is.
Yeah.
Was.
Okay. I'm pretty sure this is Ben.
Yeah. So Lily, I don't think you remember how I end my videos, but it always ends like this. Make sure to like, subscribe, do all that stuff, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Somewhere similar.
Okay. Bye, guys.